Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can go ahead and buy Toncoin using the Tonkeeper Wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now of course, the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is to make sure that you have the latest version of Tonkeeper Wallet available into your device. So you want to head over to your Play Store, and from there you want to make sure that there are no pending updates for this specific application. Once inside the application, you want to go ahead and click on the buy and sell icon, as you can go ahead and see right here. And once inside, we have a few notes to mention. First things first, you are going to see the US icon at the top left corner of your screen. You want to go ahead and click on it, and inside, you can just go ahead and choose the appropriate country in which you live in. For example, if you're living in the US, basically you want to go ahead and choose United States. Right after, you want to make sure that you are inside the buy section, because we have the buy and sell section inside this pop-up menu. Right after, you can just go ahead and navigate through the Buy Ton section, and from here we have some options like Mercurio, MoonPay, Transact, and more. You can just go ahead and choose the payment method that you want to. You can just go ahead and choose the payment method. You can just go ahead and choose any payment method that they are offering right here. As an example, I'm going to click on the first one, which is the Mercurio one. Click on open Mercurio, and then it will take us to this another page, and it will go ahead and look something like this. You can just go ahead and type out the amount that you want to pay up. For example, we are offering $300 and we'll be able to get 41 tons for basically $300. Choose any amount that you want to purchase. For example, we are going to spend around $500, and as you can go ahead and see right here, we have 68.6801 ton for $500. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.